Welcome to the fascinating world of space exploration. You know, when we look up at the stars, we often think about the vast distances and celestial wonders out there. But what about the incredible science happening just a few hundred miles above our heads? Today we're diving into the top 5 mind-blowing experiments currently happening on the International Space Station. Get ready for an intriguing journey through science and discovery. Have you ever wondered why we spend billions of dollars sending humans into space? It's a question that often comes up, and the answer is multifaceted. It's not just about the thrill of exploration, the excitement of venturing into the unknown, although that's certainly a big part of it. The sense of adventure and discovery is undeniably compelling. It's about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and using the unique environment of space to do things we could only dream of on Earth. The microgravity environment offers a laboratory like no other. Take, for example, the protein crystal growth experiments happening right now on the International Space Station. These experiments are groundbreaking in their potential. You see, proteins are these amazing little machines that drive virtually every process in our bodies. They are the workhorses of our cells. They're responsible for everything from digesting our food to fighting off infections. Without them, life as we know it wouldn't be possible. And the key to understanding how they work, how to fix them when they malfunction, lies in understanding their structure. This structural knowledge is crucial for medical advancements. That's where protein crystals come in. They provide a window into the molecular world. On Earth, gravity makes it incredibly difficult to grow these crystals. The force of gravity interferes with the delicate process. The proteins tend to clump together at the bottom of the solution, resulting in flawed and unusable crystals. This clumping is a major obstacle for researchers. But in the microgravity environment of space, proteins can grow freely in all directions, forming near-perfect crystals that reveal their secrets in stunning detail. This clarity is invaluable for scientific research. Scientists are using these space-grown crystals to develop new drugs and treatments for a wide range of diseases from cancer to Alzheimer's. The potential benefits are enormous. It's like having a giant magnifying glass in space, allowing us to peer into the intricate machinery of life itself. This perspective is revolutionizing our understanding of biology. And the best part? This is just one example of the groundbreaking research happening on the ISS. The space station is a hub of scientific innovation. So buckle up, because we're about to explore even more mind-blowing experiments that are pushing the boundaries of science and paving the way for a brighter future. The journey of discovery is just beginning. Alright, get this. Imagine a place so cold that atoms practically stand still. It's almost like hitting the pause button on the tiniest building blocks of matter. We're not talking about the frosty peaks of Antarctica or the chilling depths of interstellar space. Those places are cold, sure, but they don't even come close to what we're about to reveal. We're talking about a place colder than anywhere else in the universe, and it's located, wait for it, on the International Space Station. Yes, you heard that right, up there in orbit. I know, right? Mind-blowing. It's called the Cold Atom Lab, and it's basically a super advanced refrigerator capable of reaching temperatures just a hair above absolute zero, the coldest temperature theoretically possible, which is minus 459.67 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. That's unimaginably cold. That's colder than the vacuum of space itself. Now you might be wondering why on Earth, or rather why in space, would we want to create such extreme cold? What could possibly be the reason? Well, it turns out that at these ultra-low temperatures atoms start behaving in really strange and wonderful ways. They slow down so much that we can observe phenomena that are otherwise impossible to see. They enter a state of matter called a Bose-Einstein condensate, where they act more like waves than particles, blurring the lines between the quantum world and our everyday reality. It's like peering into a different dimension. By studying these ultra-cold atoms, scientists can explore some of the most fundamental questions about the universe, questions that have puzzled humanity for centuries. Like the nature of dark matter and dark energy, those mysterious substances that make up most of the universe but remain largely unknown to us. The behavior of matter at the edge of a black hole where the laws of physics as we know them start to break down, and even the very fabric of space-time itself. It's like we're unraveling the threads of the universe to see what it's really made of. It's like opening a window into the quantum realm right there on the space station, a realm where the rules are different and the possibilities are endless. So the next time you're feeling a little chilly, just remember that there's a place in space where atoms are practically frozen in time, moving so slowly that they reveal the secrets of the universe, helping us unlock the secrets of the cosmos. It's a fascinating journey into the unknown, all made possible by the coldest place in the universe. Chapter 3. Space salad, anyone? Let's face it, space food has a bit of a reputation and not necessarily a good one. For decades, astronauts have had to make do with prepackaged meals that, while nutritious, often leave much to be desired in terms of taste and variety. Freeze-dried ice cream and powdered tang can only sustain you for so long. These items are more about nostalgia and novelty than actual sustenance. But what if we could grow fresh, nutritious food in space? Imagine the possibilities of having a mini farm right there on the space station. What if, instead of relying on pre-packaged meals from Earth, astronauts could enjoy a crisp salad grown right there on the space station? Fresh food could significantly improve their quality of life. Well, that's precisely what scientists are working on with the Veggie Plant Growth System, a revolutionary project aimed at making space farming a reality. This compact greenhouse on the ISS is changing the way we think about food in space. It's a game changer for long-term space missions. Now, growing plants in microgravity comes with its own set of challenges. The absence of gravity affects everything from root growth to water distribution. There's no gravity to pull roots down or guide water and nutrients, making traditional farming techniques useless. And light behaves differently in space. The way plants absorb light and convert it into energy is altered in the microgravity environment. But through clever engineering and a lot of trial and error, scientists have developed innovative ways to mimic Earth-like conditions and coax plants to thrive in the harsh environment of space. They've successfully grown a variety of crops, including lettuce, which has become a staple in the space diet. Tomatoes and even peppers, adding much-needed variety and nutrition to the astronauts' meals, providing astronauts with a welcome taste of home and a much-needed boost of vitamins and antioxidants. Fresh vegetables can make a world of difference in their daily lives. But it's not just about keeping astronauts happy and healthy. The psychological benefits of growing and eating fresh food are immense. Growing food in space is crucial for long-duration missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. These missions will require sustainable food sources, Mars and beyond. The ability to grow food on other celestial bodies could be the key to human colonization of space. It reduces our reliance on costly and time-consuming resupply missions from Earth, making space missions more self-sufficient, and provides a sustainable source of fresh food for future space explorers. This is a significant step towards long-term space habitation. So, the next time you bite into a juicy tomato, think about the incredible journey it took to get to your plate. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible science that could one day allow us to grow food on other planets, making humanity a truly spacefaring civilization. The future of space exploration is not just about reaching new worlds, but also about thriving on them, making humanity a truly spacefaring civilization. The future of space exploration is not just about reaching new worlds, but also about thriving on them. Chapter 4, Zero G, Not So Good for Your Body. We often see astronauts gracefully floating through the space station, seemingly unfazed by the lack of gravity. But don't let that fool you. The human body undergoes some pretty significant changes in microgravity, and understanding these changes is crucial for ensuring the health and well-being of astronauts on long-duration missions. One of the most noticeable effects of microgravity is fluid shifts. On Earth, gravity pulls fluids down towards our feet, but in space, fluids distribute more evenly throughout the body, causing a puffiness in the face, a decrease in leg volume, and even changes in vision. To study these fluid shifts and their long-term effects, astronauts on the ISS are participating in the fluid shifts experiment. They wear special sensors and garments that track how fluids move within their bodies, providing valuable data that helps scientists develop countermeasures to mitigate the negative impacts of microgravity. These countermeasures include things like exercise routines, lower body negative pressure devices, and even specialized diets designed to regulate fluid balance and maintain astronaut health. Understanding how the human body adapts to microgravity is not just crucial for space exploration. It also has implications for healthcare here on Earth, providing insights into conditions like heart disease, osteoporosis, and even aging. So, while floating weightlessly through space might seem like a dream come true, it's important to remember that our bodies evolved under the constant pull of gravity. Studying how we adapt to its absence is key to unlocking our full potential as a spacefaring species. Chapter 5. Microbial roommates in space. We share our planet with trillions of microbes, tiny organisms that play a vital role in our ecosystem. But what about the microbes that hitch a ride with us into space? How do they behave in microgravity, and what can they teach us about life beyond Earth? On the International Space Station, scientists are conducting fascinating experiments to track and study the behavior of microbes in space. You see, the ISS is like a giant, hermetically sealed petri dish, providing a unique opportunity to study microbial life in a closed environment. Using advanced DNA sequencing techniques and other cutting-edge tools, researchers are identifying the different types of microbes present on the station, tracking their movements and interactions, and studying how they adapt to the challenges of space. They've discovered that some microbes thrive in microgravity. forming biofilms that can corrode surfaces and potentially pose risks to astronaut health and equipment. Others, however, seem to be relatively benign, and some might even be beneficial, playing a role in waste recycling or even producing oxygen. Understanding how microbes behave in space is crucial for maintaining a healthy and safe environment for astronauts on long-duration missions. It also has implications for planetary protection, ensuring that we don't accidentally contaminate other worlds with Earth-based life. So the next time you think about space exploration, remember that it's not just about rockets and robots. It's also about the invisible world of microbes, these tiny travelers that are helping us unravel the mysteries of life beyond Earth. From growing protein crystals in microgravity to creating the coldest place in the universe, these experiments are not just pushing the boundaries of science but also paving the way for future space exploration. They're helping us understand our place in the cosmos, develop new technologies, and inspire the next generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from the final frontier. The International Space Station is a testament to human ingenuity and our insatiable thirst for knowledge. Who knows what incredible discoveries await us in the years to come? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing content from the world of science and space exploration.